So last time we left off, we put in a drop of motor oil to start our brand new test with our filters. Since our vegetable oil tests have been working well, we need to bring it up a notch. So now we're going to be putting 2 drops of oil, since we put in 1 yesterday. We ran for the first trial, we ran only for a few minutes because the testing can't be like run for overnight, because you know motor oil is contaminating all this water and you're splashing. So that's definitely gonna make some problems if it runs too long.